we're going to construct a 45-degree angle now. As you know, 45 is a half of 90. So to get the 45, what I'm going to do is construct a 90-degree and then I bisect it. So let us start. These first few steps is to construct the 90-degree, right? And just remember we did that on that video. So I want it on this side of the line, so I center the ruler there. If I wanted it on this side, I would center there first, right? Now let me make the construction arcs to get the 90. Remember, we swing on half a circle until that it intersects your line, right? And that intersection we made, we're going to take it as our second center. Just to swing a tiny arc to intersect the first one. That intersection is going to be our third center, right? And remember, this arc should be big. Remember, we're working towards the 90 now, right? This arc should be big, coming from straight above the third center, right? And come down to intersect the first arc to produce an intersection here. So we're going to use it as our fourth center, just to get an arc there. Now remember that arc, that line, that intersection that was last created, is going to give us a 90-degree angle when we connect to our starting point, right? Let's try that. Okay, stop there. Measure. Yep, that's 90. No. Remember, our aim was not to get a 90-degree angle. Our aim was to get a 45-degree angle. So then we're going to bisect it. I'm going to make the construction line for the bisection in another color, right? So to bisect it now, remember, to bisect an angle, you're going to need an arc to intersect the two legs. But we already have that arc, this arc right here. So this intersection here and this intersection here, you're going to use as centers. Now look carefully, guys. Don't do what you don't see. Look carefully. If you don't remember, look again. So we're going to center, after we get the 90 now, to finally get the 45, we center the compass where the first arc intersects one of the legs of the 90, right? And you can swing it like that. And then you're going to center it where it intersects the other leg. So we're going to use it to the intersection on both legs. Now all I want now is an arc just to intersect the first one made there. So we can stop. As long as I get the intersection, you can stop. So we stop right there. This intersection is what I need. I'm going to draw the line now from this intersection to where I first started, right at the vertex of the 90, right? To get my 45-degree angle. And remember that, if you remember when we were doing this in class, you didn't need to draw the entire line for this 90 here, because all we needed was this intersection right here, right? Let me draw this line to intersect. Get our, here it is. Good. And it doesn't matter if it's spilled over a little, right? As long as when you measure that angle, it's 45, you're fine. So let's measure the angle and see what we have. Yep, 45 degrees, right? Now, I was mentioning a while ago to you that this line here that I'm marking out with the pen, remember, I don't need to draw all of this line. All I really needed was this part. But I see somebody just drawing it randomly, so that's why I draw the whole thing on this, all right? So again, watch the video. Do not do what you do not see here, and you have to practice it over and over until you can do it without looking at the video. All right.